In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your journal entries on QuickBooks Online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find journal entries for different transactions. How do you actually go ahead and display that on your QuickBooks Online account on the desktop? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, there's actually multiple ways. The first way is that you can log on to QuickBooks, then click on Reports, and then you're going to be given all the standard reports. So if you scroll down, you should be able to find Journal. So if we just do Control F, Journal is going to be located under the Accountant tab for My Accountant. So you could actually star this and favorite it so that it appears up top in the future. And so with it, if you click on this journal, it'll show you the journal entries, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find journal entries on your QuickBooks Online account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.